This is our ViGuide app. This is the app for the installer. This brings many benefits to the installer. So the first one is giving the installer the ability to commission a system using their mobile device. All the appliances have got the Wi-Fi module built in. The installer can connect their mobile device to the appliance remotely using their phone or tablet. We can go into commission new system. We can commission any of these products that have got the new One-Base platform on using the guided process inside the app. The installation becomes so much slicker and easier. Once they've commissioned the appliance, then get the ability to connect that appliance up to the internet. That appliance then becomes internet enabled, meaning we can send any updates down to that appliance. The installer can see that installation remotely, the same as the customer can. If they want to have a look inside the appliance before they go for a service, they can have a look exactly what's going on. You'll see all of your appliances that you've commissioned and got connected to the internet. You can see exactly what's going on with that boiler, what the current status is. You can look at burner run hours and use that as part of your diagnostics for the boiler as well. You can actually make some changes to that boiler. Say I put a weather comp sensor on there and I want to change the heating curve remotely. I can scroll down and I can actually change like the heating curve remotely as well. So we can actually dial into that boiler and look at some of the parameters and make parameter changes remotely as well, giving the installer more visibility of all their installations. And hopefully you'll come and join us at Telford and we can go through it and have your full day with you where we can explain all the other benefits and show you how to actually connect it.
If you want the best deals on hand tools, power tools and accessories like what you see on this channel delivered to your inbox every single week at 6 p.m. on a Tuesday, hit the link in the description and join Tool Talk for free today.